Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I wanted to do a review of the Rubbermaid FastTrack garage organization system. So the FastTrack system is really versatile. I've been using it for about a year now and I really enjoy it. It's been awesome for taking the trimmers that I have and just getting them up off the ground and organized in a really simple way. The FastTrack utilizes a track, a metal track that you mount directly to the studs in the wall. And then you can get all different types of hooks for specific types of tools that you want to hang up. The really nice thing about this Rubbermaid FastTrack system is that they actually have these trimmer specific hooks. So with some other systems where you might be trying to mishmash pieces together or making sort of generic hooks work to hold the trimmers. And you know, being that string trimmers are pretty heavy, you want to make sure you have a sturdy system to hold them all up, especially if you have them mounted on, say, the wall in a garage, and you might have a car parked beside it. You don't want that coming off the wall and falling and damaging the car. So the Rubbermaid system's been really good in that sense. Like I say, I've had it for about a year. The wife's car's parked beside it. Never had any issues with trimmers falling off or the system itself coming detached off the wall. And it's kept it all really nicely organized. So what brand of trimmers can you use on these Rubbermaid FastTrack hooks? Well, I think they're a pretty generic fit for all trimmers. And of course, I haven't been able to test it with every single brand out there, but I can tell you I've had no issues with the Echo gas-powered trimmers, my gas-powered Stihl Combi system, and even the Milwaukee M18 battery-powered fuel system has had no issues with these hooks. So let's take a closer look at the system and see how it works. So this is what the Rubbermaid FastTrack system looks like without the trimmers installed on it. You can see it's just a basic track there. You've got your trimmer specific hooks, and they can all be released and moved around wherever you like, and then locked in place so that they stay in that position. If you want to move them around, you just pull up slightly on the handle there, and then that allows you to slide them around, let go, and it locks it in place. So super simple to put them on. Again, you can just pull that handle up and that lets you unhook them. So the trimmer specific hooks look like this. So when you're pulling that, you can see the hook on the bottom get released. So when I pull that forward, you can see how that unhooks there. So the top, to install them, you're basically just hooking the top of that hook on and then pulling the handle to lock the bottom in place. So we're going to take the top of that hook, hook it over the top, and then to push it in place, you just pop it in place and it actually will lock itself in that position, and the hook's not coming off until you actually pull on the handle to release it. So very simple system. So here's the track itself without any of the hooks installed, and basically, like I said, it's just a metal track that's mounted directly to the wall, and then it's got this plastic cover over it. So if we slide the plastic cover out of the way, you can actually see what it looks like. So basically, you're going to mount this on your wall, use a tool like a stud finder to find your studs, and that's where you're going to put your screws in. And on a typical wall, the studs are 16-inch centers, so you're going to have screws every 16 inches, and you can see that it's got tons of holes along the whole length of the track. So there's really no issue finding solid places to put screws to mount it. And like I said, I've put the screws on every stud all the way down the wall, and it's securely held it with no issues, having it fully loaded with all the trimmers. And then the black cover just slides directly back over the entire track, and you clip all of the trimmer specific hooks onto that. Okay, so the best way that I figured out how to figure out all of your spacing is just to start with your first trimmer on the wall where you want it, and then you can place your second trimmer wherever you put that hook and see how much spacing is there, and then adjust it from there. And then so on and so forth all the way down. So another neat thing about these systems, if you're using them, especially with string trimmers, is that if you're tight on space, you can actually utilize the space between the trimmers as well, because your motors are what's taking up the most space at the top, but you've got a lot of empty space in between. I've even thought about getting another one of the tracks and mounting it down lower here, and being able to utilize the space in between to hang things like your handheld hedge cutters and hedge trimmers and things like that in between each of the string trimmers. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation, the Rubbermaid FastTrack garage organization system, a perfect solution to help organize your string trimmers, edgers, bed redefiners, all of your handheld stick equipment in your lawn care business. Get it off the ground in your garage or shop. I've been using it, like I say, for the past year with no issues. It's worked really well, and I absolutely would recommend this system to anybody looking for a way to organize their handheld stick equipment. So I'll leave some Amazon affiliate links down below in the video description if you want to check out the Rubbermaid FastTrack system for yourself. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this Rubbermaid FastTrack garage organization system. That's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.